ground meat, beans, and corn. Oh, this is so good. It's just a good twist of ground meat, or this is ground pork. So in Tagalog, it's giniling. If you get sick and tired of the usual giniling way of cooking, this one is really excellent. Yep. Now let's start. Here, so simple. We got this two small onion, or half of a red bell pepper, some 3 cloves or 4 cloves of crushed garlic, 2 cans of Hunt's pork and beans, 1 can of corn. Yep, that's it. So now let's heat up the oil. We're gonna use the used oil here, so for a bit more flavors. This is oil we just use for fried chicken and pork chops, so it's okay. Yes, we get the oil hot now. Yes, we wait for a minute. Now here it's hot enough. Yes, I'm talking to our main. Yes, Ate Vicky. Yep, it's almost ready. It's good. Just a bit more, so that it gives a good crystal. You just hear the onions first. We make sure it's oiled up good. We don't overcook it. And just a minute or so. We'll put the garlic next. This is 3 cloves. Actually, this is 4 cloves of crushed garlic. Yes, because they're small. I'll mix it good. We saute this. I love the smell of onions and garlic being fried. It's just awesome. Yes, now you mix it. Make sure everything is all done good. Just we'll let it sit there for a bit. Yes. Now here, the ground pork. We make sure we stir fry this. We make sure that we fry the ground pork really good so it's cooked well. So we just keep mixing it so that everything is oiled up, nothing sticks, so it's gonna be good. You can actually use ground beef, that's gonna be way even better. But of course, to be cost friendly, because ground beef here is expensive, ground pork will do. Alright, make sure you mix it good so that everything is oiled up decent, so it's not gonna stick so much. But it looks like it needs a bit more oil. We're gonna put more oil in later. We'll let this sit like this for now. Yes. Let it simmer. It's gonna be good. Here's some crushed black pepper. Alright. The Vicky is getting for her to handle the wok. Yes. Just make sure every side is getting cooked, getting good. You can actually see that the color is gonna change once it's getting cooked, but it's not yet all of it. So yep, we keep doing this. Now here, we keep mixing it so that it doesn't clump up together. Yes. All right. Now let it sit there for a moment. Here it's getting good. It's really close, but not yet. We add now a bit of oil. So you're gonna get more. Yeah, sorry about that. Because we had to add oil now. We had to wait for a bit because sometimes the pork secretes more oil, so it's gonna be okay. But it didn't, so it had less fat, so it is okay. Yes, we keep tossing it like this so that every single bits and portions of the pork gets cooked good. Yes, now we let it sit for a bit. Here's some fresh basil. You can season it however you like, but we have a plant of basil, so we decided 2 leaves of fresh basil. It's gonna start smelling good for good aroma. Yes, we just keep mixing it. It's still not yet cooked, so we want to cook the pork or the ground pork really well. So we let it sit there for a moment. This is dry ground cumin. Sorry. We have to tap it because whenever we use it, the steam gets to inside and it's just it's stiff. If it stiffens up the ground cumin. There's a bit more. Put it on the side here so it doesn't get the steam inside. This is optional. You could use parsley or any other seasoning. We just decided to use a bit of cumin, so it's gonna be good. You can follow it this way. It's gonna be good too. 1 chili. This is optional. Me and my brother, we like spicy food, so 1 chili is good. You can add 2 if you like even more spicy, but you can omit it if you're not really into spicy food. All right. Now the half red bell pepper that's been sliced. Nice, good now. Now it's starting to smell even better. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Yep. Mix it good like this. Once we put the bell pepper like this, it's gonna be, we're not gonna cook it for long. It's gonna, yeah, it has to stay here. Like, we don't want to overcook it. It's all right. Now the can of corn, yes. We're gonna put the beans later because the beans are already pre-cooked, so we don't want to crush it up, So the can of corn here first. We're gonna cook together good. Now we have to add like half a cup of water, just to get the juices out and get more sauce. Handing it out to Vicky. We're using the can here. We added a bit more cumin, so it's gonna be good. Here, I just found a hot sauce by the dining table, so we added it. Like, might as well add that. It's gonna be good. Yes, and here's dried chili flakes. Yes. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Gonna mix it now. Of course, the chili flakes are also optional. We just like it, we just like it spicy, so this is good. Here's half a cup of water. We use the can of the corn, of course, just so that it's all rinsed up good. So half a cup of water now. Oh, this is so good. Alright, we'll let it simmer for a bit. Yeah, nicely boiling again. That's good now. Here, a bit of cumin. Oh no, sorry. This is paprika. Sorry about that. It's a bit of Spanish paprika. Mix it some more. That's getting good now. All the ground meat or the ground pork is gonna be so good like this. So simple, right? It's like a Mexican-inspired giniling. So now time for the beans. We rinsed it. We made sure there's no extra sauce, so it's just the beans itself. Yes, we used 2 cans of Hunt's pork and beans without the sauce, because the sauce gives a bit of the odd taste that you would know it's a canned pork and beans. So we took that out. So this is all purely just the pork and all the stuff that we cooked, and half a cup of water for the sauce. Yes. Now it's done. Yep. That's simple, right? Let me show you close. Oh, look at that. The giniling, this is Mexican inspired. This is so good. Now let's go to the dining table here. Vicky added a bit more parsley flakes. Oh, look at that. So good, right? Yeah, so you can take care for the other good stuff. Oh man, this you guys gotta try it. It's so good. It's just wonderful. It's good with tacos, nachos, or even rice. Oh, it's perfect. Yeah, you gotta try this, right? Thanks for watching and subscribe this week and check out all the other good stuff here. All right, see ya.